A healthcare organization maintains a repository of clinical records containing personally identifiable information, or PII, and protected health information, or PHI. An ML engineer is tasked with ensuring these sensitive data types are excluded from the ML model training process. Which approach should be used to satisfy this privacy constraint?
All right, let's take a look at this question. The question asks how to solve privacy concerns for medical record, specifically PII and PHI, prior to model training. Option A, utilize Amazon S3 for storage and apply AWS Glue Data Brew to obscure the PII and PHI prior to model training. Option B, import the clinical records into an Amazon Redshift cluster and implement custom SQL procedures to detect and obfuscate PII and PHI before training commences. Option C, employ Amazon Comprehend for PII detection and Amazon Comprehend Medical to identify and redact PHI before the records are used for training. Option D, develop an AWS Lambda function to encrypt all PII and PHI, then store the resulting encrypted records in an Amazon S3 bucket designated for model training.
At its core, this question focuses on data governance and compliance within machine learning pipelines. When dealing with clinical data, protecting sensitive information is a critical regulatory requirement. The challenge here is finding a mechanism that effectively identifies specific types of sensitive data within unstructured or semi-structured formats and removes or masks them before the data reaches the training environment, ensuring that the model does not inadvertently learn from protected, private data. In my view, the correct answer is option C. Amazon Comprehend provides specific APIs for PII identification, and Amazon Comprehend Medical is purpose-built to detect and redact protected health information from unstructured clinical text. Using these services allows the engineer to programmatically identify and mask sensitive entities before the data enters the training pipeline, which ensures that sensitive data is not inadvertently included in the training set.
Now let us look at the other options. Option A, which uses AWS Glue Data Brew, is primarily a visual data preparation tool. It lacks the deep, specialized medical entity recognition capabilities found in Comprehend Medical. Option B is not ideal because using Redshift stored procedures is not a standard managed approach for medical entity extraction. Option D is incorrect because encrypting the data would prevent the model from learning anything meaningful, as it would be training on unusable ciphertext.
A quick exam tip. Whenever you encounter questions about sensitive medical data on an AWS certification exam, look for services that offer specialized, managed, and purpose-built entity recognition. Tools that require manual, custom logic, like SQL procedures, or those that focus on general data formatting, like Glue Data Brew, are often distractors. Always prioritize managed AI services designed to handle the specific data domain in question to ensure both compliance and data utility.